A clear and direct process for reaching, rescuing, rooting, and releasing children to live for Jesus is essential. Yet most churches do not have a written strategy for connecting children with Jesus and his story. So how do we develop one? Here are 6 steps. 1. Identify the goal. To get where you're going, you must start where you are. What is your context and community? What is God leading you to do? Prayerfully consider his plans and purposes. Explore options with children, parents, and church leaders. What do you hope to achieve? Confirm your convictions and clarify your intentions. And develop a 7-word vision statement. 2. Name the priorities. You can't do everything. What will you concentrate on? Gather information. What can be reasonably achieved? Consider the short and long-term implications of the possibilities. How will you gain momentum and sustain the ministry in the future? 3. Develop the plan. Write down what you're going to do and how you're going to do it. Design the process that helps you fulfill your vision. Do this with others. Collaboration in the formulation of the plan provides ownership for everyone who will be involved in it. 4. Share the plan. Tell everyone about it. Communicate with children, parents, teachers, and stakeholders. Invite comments and questions. Share the goals and explain how they'll be accomplished. 5. Implement the plan. Put it into practice. Take the next steps to make it happen. 6. Evaluate the plan. Review what's happening. Ask, is it effective? Is it fulfilling what you hope to achieve? Do you need to tweak it? Are children and parents connecting with Jesus? Now get started. Research and experience prove that having a written strategy more than doubles your chance of success.